Today, we will see how to find all factors of 36. If you understand one problem clearly, you can solve many such problems very easily. So, please stay tuned till the end. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps once. Step 1. Start dividing 36 by the natural numbers beginning from 1. When we divide 36 by 1, we get 36 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 1 is not greater than the quotient 36. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 2. When we divide 36 by 2, we get 18 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 2 is not greater than the quotient 18. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 3. When we divide 36 by 3, we get 12 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 3 is not greater than the quotient 12. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 4. When we divide 36 by 4, we get 9 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 4 is not greater than the quotient 9. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 5. When we divide 36 by 5, we get 7 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So, this division is not exact. Therefore, please do not consider this step. In this case, the divisor 5 is not greater than the quotient 7. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 6. When we divide 36 by 6, we get 6 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 6 is not greater than the quotient 6. So, divide 36 by the next natural number 7. When we divide 36 by 7, we get 5 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So, this division is not exact. Therefore, please do not consider this step. In this case, the divisor 7 is greater than the quotient 5. So, as per the rule, please stop here and do not consider this step. Step 3. Collect all unique divisors and quotients where the division is exact. In this case, they are 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9 and 6. So, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.